episode where we fact check fake, false, and misleading information. First up is this claim that's going viral. According to a report, in fact, on a web news portal, it's been claimed that the centre has decided to reduce the retirement age of government employees to 50 years. Now, this is absolutely untrue. There has been no discussion at all towards such a proposal anywhere ever in the central government or even in the state government. So this information is completely false and fake news. Another WhatsApp forward going viral is the claim that 18% income tax will be deposited by all taxpayers, and that's a decision that's been arrived at by the central government. Once again, this is completely fake news. In fact, the only purpose of this news seems to be fear-mongering, and the Press Information Bureau fact-checking page has also called this a complete figment of the imagination. There is once again no such proposal in hiking taxes at all. Another rumor gaining ground is the fact that, or rather the claim that UV disinfection lamps can be used to kill the coronavirus that may be present on your hands or any other part of your body. Now, this rumor is gaining ground especially after the US President Donald Trump claimed that sunlight, exposing people to sunlight, could kill the coronavirus. This, again, is completely false information. It was through studies discovered that ultraviolet rays can kill germs. Now, this is in fact a fact known to people for a long time. US researchers recently found that UV rays present in the sunlight can kill the coronavirus present on surfaces, not on our skin. So this fact is being stretched to claim that in fact the virus, even if it's present on your body, can be killed using UV rays. Now, this is completely false information. One must be very cautious when they hear such things, because UV rays, as we know, are very damaging to human body, and it can damage your skin. It can even be fatal. So no, exposing yourself to UV light or UV disinfection lamps cannot kill the coronavirus, and one cannot stress this fact enough. In fact, further to this claim, it's also being said that exposing yourself to sunlight and the UV ray present in the sunlight can kill the coronavirus. Once again, exposing yourself to sunlight will not have any effect on the coronavirus that has already entered your body and started infecting your cells. Even the PIB fact-checking page has said that such things are not true. The sunlight and increasing temperature will probably have no effect on the coronavirus. Finally, there was a fake news report claiming that the first person who underwent a vaccine trial in the United Kingdom, who is a microbiologist by the name of Eliza Granato, has died. This is fake news. She is healthy and she's doing well. She was, of course, very enthusiastic to undergo that first vaccine trial, and there is nothing that has hurt her health, and she's completely, absolutely fine. The rumors of her death are fake. A report going viral claims that passenger train services will be resumed soon in India. Once again, this is fake news. There has been no such proposal from the government or the state governments so far, at least until the May 3rd lockdown deadline. After which, what happens, we're not very sure. But until May the 3rd of the extended lockdown, no passenger trains will be operating. Only goods trains are operating. Currently, post the lockdown period, a decision will be taken on the resumption of services. Nothing is known about this yet. However, state governments, like especially the Maharashtra government, has been seeking for the starting of a few special trains to take migrant workers to their hometowns. A decision on that request is still awaited. That is all on this episode. Let us know if you want us to probe into some news that you have received over social media. on which you want us to do a fact checking. Thanks for watching.